Welcome to 43 Lemmon Street. This nicely updated 3-bedroom, 1.25 bath home with a covered front porch, fenced backyard with covered patio and storage, as well as an updated interior with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. It's located in South Sumter, convenient to Shaw Air Force Base, also US 76, Morris College, as well as Riley Park Baseball Stadium. So we're out front. You can see you have a driveway on the right side here coming off for parking. That backs up to a gate that does pull into the backyard if you have any sort of possible trailer or some kind of other storage you want to pull around. You also have another walking gate to the backyard that way, but you have a nice big front lawn here. And as you can see along the front of the house in the center, you have a nice covered front porch up about 4 brick steps here. It's a nice outdoor space. And then we'll step right inside into the living room. So you can see as we enter, you have those beautiful luxury vinyl plank floors. Those do go throughout the property with the exception of, I believe, the full bathroom, which has tile flooring. So you enter into the living room here. You have crown molding and sort of a kind of a picture rail molding there as well. And you can see this space has kind of been opened up to the hallway. Normally, you kind of, an older style home like this, you'd have that sort of blocked off. And coat closet there on the far side of the living room. Nice big picture window flanked by 2 other ones facing out towards the front, and a ceiling fan in here as well. And then you can see on the other side it's open to the formal dining room, which also has a ceiling fan. A couple of windows to the front and side, and that connects to the kitchen, which has some eat-in space if you would want to put a small maybe table and chair in here for some dining, but an included smooth top electric stove, as well as plenty of countertop and cabinet space, a nice gray on the cabinets, and a refrigerator here on the opposite corner. Adjacent laundry room on the way to the backyard space, so you have a full-size washer and dryer hookups in there, as well as some shelving above, and this bonus area opposite the washer dryer connections that just sort of houses some additional storage back here sort of up high, which is great. Not a feature you always see. And then we'll adjust the light for you before we go out. So outdoors, you have a fenced backyard. As you can see, that wood fencing from the front along the side there and on the back. You have some chain link on this side. And then we're stepping out under the covered patio here, as you can see. And then nice backyard space with some mature trees in the backyard. More open on that side. And then have this door on the back open to show just some utility storage space here at the back off of the house as well. So then stepping back inside, go back into the hallway. There's an attic pull down, some possible storage up there. And then off of the living room, or off the hall rather, sort of open to the living room, we have one of the 3 bedrooms in the home. Now this one and the one next to it, they do have a connecting bathroom. And I did mention in the intro that it was a quarter bath. The only reason I say that is because there's only a shower in here. The flooring does continue, as you can see, but this is only a shower, so just a walk-in shower stall. Typically you'd have a sink and commode in here, or toilet, but this has been modified, so do keep that in mind if you need a sink in that space or commode. That's not available in this property, but connects to this 2nd bedroom that you see, also with the ceiling fan. The closet here, the door is tucked back there, so it does have a door, and roughly the same closet on the other side. So now we're back in the hallway that is again off of the living space. You have a linen closet here on one side, your full bathroom, tile flooring and a single vanity, sort of matching the gray from the kitchen, and some tile in there, and a frosted glass window in the tub. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom. And this one sort of faces the front of the house. It's on the front right corner if you're facing the house from the street. And closet is here behind the door as well. So that completes our tour of this nicely updated home in Sumter. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.